What's up, guys? Welcome back to Organic Chemistry Simplified. Today I'm going to show you an ozonolysis trick that's going to save you tons of time on your exam. So with ozonolysis, there's two different types of questions you can get. One is going forwards and one's going backwards. So going forwards, you're going to start with a molecule with a double bond on it, maybe two double bonds, but you're going to have at least one double bond somewhere, and you want to identify where that's going to be. And basically the way the trick works is you just cross it out, and we're going to add a double bonded oxygen to both sides. And that's pretty much it. So you're going to end up with different pieces here, and I like to number them to make sure I don't make any mistakes redrawing the products. So we have two 3-carbon chains in this case. And on the first piece, we have a double bonded oxygen on carbon 2. And on the other one, we have a double bonded oxygen on carbon 1. And those are your two products. Really easy, right? So now I'm going to show you going backwards. So going backwards, we start with a molecule or molecules with double bonded oxygens on them. And so this time, we want to reform our double bond because we want to find the reactant. So what you do is you find the carbon that your double bonded oxygens are attached to, and all you're going to do is you're going to combine them together. And I like to draw 2 lines just to remind myself that I'm creating a double bond. And then the way I like to number is I start with, well, I know we're creating a carbon chain, right? So we want to go all the way to the side and start there, put 2 there, and then 3 is going to be where our connection is, and then we just continue through that chain. And so we have a 5-carbon chain that we're creating in this case. Now, between carbons 2 and 3, we have a double bond. And we also don't want to forget about this methyl group here on carbon 2. So just make sure you add that in your product. And that's it. That's how you go backwards. So now I'm going to have you guys do 2 practice problems to try this out for yourself. So this first one is going forwards. Just pause the video and try this one out. Alright, so let's go over it. Find your double bond. Remember, cross it out. Double bonded oxygen on both sides. And now we want a number. So on the first piece, we have a double bonded oxygen on carbon 3. And on the other one, we have it on carbon 1. And then don't forget about this methyl group right here. So we have to add that in. And those are your 2 products. Okay, so now try out this next problem. Pause the video. All right. Now, remember what we do? Find our carbon that our double bonded oxygens are attached to. Create our attachment. And now, what I like to do when we're forming a ring, because in this case we're creating a ring since the double bonded oxygens are on one molecule, we're bringing them together. So I always just like to number everything that's going to be in my new ring. So we have a 5-carbon ring. And we know that we're forming a double bond between carbons 1 and 5. And then we have methyl groups on 1 and 4. And there you go. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to check out the description below where I have a link to my website, and there's more free content there.